We are going to do a walkthrough of a Whirlwind 212R upcut saw. This saw comes from Whirlwind's heyday when they were using square D IEC controls, which are extremely durable. Some of the new saws, the controls just don't last. They were also using Baldor ISR motors. This one happens to be 10 horsepower, 208, 230, 460 volt, currently wired for 230 volt operation. And there is a material sensor. We're gonna go ahead and start the machine. What that material sensor is gonna do is it is gonna sense if there's any material in the machine. So right now, if I do not put material under the sensor and if I try and hit the foot pedal, the machine will not cycle. As soon as you move your material past the sensor, when you hit the foot pedal, it is going to cycle. We're going to take a look under the hood real fast. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.